If you have already enrolled your brand in Amazon Brand Registry, you do not need to go through the brand name approval process again when creating new product listings, as long as the brand name used in the listing matches exactly with the name registered in Brand Registry. Even small differences such as spacing, capitalization, or punctuation can cause Amazon to treat it as a separate brand, which would then require a new brand name approval request. However, if the brand name is identical, Amazon automatically recognizes your verified brand, allowing you to list products directly under it without reapplying for approval. During the listing process, all you need to do is provide a valid product ID, such as a UPC, EAN, or GTIN, or apply for a GTIN exemption for that same registered brand if your products do not use traditional barcodes. Keep in mind that Brand Registry and GTIN exemption are separate systems, so even though your brand is verified, you must still apply for GTIN exemption if your products require it. Once approved, this process becomes much faster and smoother since Amazon already recognizes your brand as registered and verified within its system.